In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can zoom in Canva. Okay, so the process is pretty straightforward and simple. So let's just get straight into it. So I have this picture of a dog. I can make it bigger so you can see it just a little bit better. Now, if you want to zoom in your whole canvas or zoom out of your whole canvas, it's very easy. You can see at the bottom here towards the right hand side, it has this little 59 with this little ball. And if you move that slider to the right, and it'll make it bigger or zoom in, and if you move it to the left, it'll zoom out. And that's basically all there is to it. You just need to adjust the slider so you can zoom in or zoom out depending on what exactly you want to do. So I'll just leave it on like 93%, and then that makes it much easier to edit your canvas. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.